What's up, y'all? Back at it again with another video. This time I'm with my content creator best friend, okay? I'm pretty sure y'all done seen her all over the map, okay? She pretty much famous at this point. I need to get her autograph so that way she won't be acting funny once she reached the top. Nah, I'm just kidding. She ain't like that. We gonna ride till the wheels fall off, okay? So she requested a ponytail because she was going out of town. She needs something real quick. So I'm like, girl, I got you. Pull up. Now, the thing about us is she don't like making hair appointments. She just thinks she could just walk in the shop whenever she wants to. Which she pretty much can, but sometimes I'll be like, girl, like, I'm tired, I'm ready to go to sleep. But I love the fact that my friend really respected my space, and she really did go online and book her appointment on her own for the very first time. Let's give a round of applause to her. Clap, clap, clap. Like, clap it up, girl. I'm so proud of you. Now, I want y'all to comment down below and let me know, have y'all seen my friend on the map? If y'all seen her on Facebook, she usually on Facebook. She be doing little skits or whatever. Now, this is the outcome. If you bald-headed hoes is looking for a ponytail and don't have no edges, I can make you look like you got some edges. Now, go ahead and follow my YouTube channel. It is on YouTube right now. I got videos for you bald-headed hoes to check out. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment down below, and tell me what you think about this video. And, yeah, shout out to my homegirl, Ebony. What's up? It's popping.